Hello everyone, it's June from Artsy Lolaco, and today I will show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a realistic watercolor, simple blue Easter egg right here on Procreate using our own custom-made brushes created by me. I crafted all 16 brushes and 3 unique texture canvases are going to be available on Etsy for you to purchase. This sketch is going to be available for free, including the color palettes. Both links are going to be down below. If you do find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification so you don't miss a thing. For this painting, I'll be using the rough, small canvas. To begin, I create a new layer, and I will start off with using the wet on dry brush. And I'll keep the size to around 50%. With 100% opacity, and pick a light blue color. And I'll begin painting the top left corner of the egg to get the most light exposure on the left side. As always with my paintings, I like to start with light, mid, and then dark tone colors to paint. This creates a lot of depth and value to the painting. Now I will go to a little bit darker bluish tone and create a new layer on top of this. And just fill out the middle section of the egg. I will keep this tutorial simple, quick, and easy for you to follow. Now I will use a darker bluish tone to fill out the bottom corner of the egg and creating a new layer again. Now once you have completed all 3 layers of the colors, go to your Layers tab and combine all 3 layers by pinching all 3 of them together, just like this. Now once they're all combined, you can go to the moving blender and begin blending all the colors, just like watercolor. I like to use a waving motion to mix in the colors nicely, but not being so perfect and precise. Just like this. Now once that's done, create a new layer, and we're going to give a bit more of a water texture stain look. So we're going to use the wet on dry brush and reduce the opacity to around 30 to 34%. And I chose a mid-tone color from the blues and colored it in. This technique gives a nice watercolor stain by keeping the middle parts of the brush a bit more transparent with darker hard edges, just like watercolor when they dry. I did the same thing, but I reduced the opacity again to around 20% and went over the layers. Now open up the Layers tab and pick the gouache layer on top of the watercolor canvas background. From there, pick the gouache brush and choose a very whitest color that you can find. And reduce the size to around 10%, and then we'll start painting the flowers. Zoom in and begin to paint. Now, the sketch already has some lines, so all you have to do is follow these lines just like this and paint them in. Simple, but yet very fun to do. All we're doing now is painting the stems, the leaves, and the petals of the flower. During this painting process, it brought back some nostalgic memories when I was in grade school, making Easter eggs and painting them all. I was an overachiever and painted a lot of details on one side, but forgot that I had to paint the whole thing, so I only painted one side and placed the eggs at a certain angle so you could only see the main parts. Luckily for me, with Procreate, you could just duplicate them now. If you'd like to share some of your fun stories as well, please comment down below. I would love to hear from all of you. Now back to the painting. Now from the gouache layer, go create a new layer and pick a yellow tone color using the same gouache brush and create little circles in the flowers, just like this. Now to create more depth and value, we're going to create some darker shading. Assuming the light is coming from the left, we're going to put some shadows on the right bottom corner. Now from the yellow tone, we're going to go a little bit darker using the same layer. Once again, use the gouache layer, gouache brush, and create kind of like a half circle moon shape on the bottom right corner, just like this. Now, once that's completed, we're going to create some grass textures and some greens into this painting. So I picked a very dark green color and used the gouache brush again, and simply just made some small little grass just like this. Putting a little bit more pressure at the bottom and then fading out to get a little bit more tapered look of grass. As well as I'm going to put some greens on the leaves to get a bit more texture rather than just being white. And I put a little bit of greens on the stems as well, just to get a little bit of reflection from the leaves. Now, when we progress to the top of the layer of the painting, I want to keep greens a bit more lighter so it gets some better reflection of the sun. Just like this. Now I also want to put some more depth and shadows in the flower petals, and I'm going to create a darker shade of gray from the white and just paint just like this, putting more emphasis on the right corner and a little bit to the left, but most of them are going to be coming from the right side of the shadows. Now once that's done, go back to the layers where you had the bluish tones of the background of the watercolor and the egg and create a new layer. And we're going to use the same tone of color that we used for the background of the egg and pick the epic splash and just spread some splash around. And we're going to put a little bit of yellow as well, since there was some yellow in the painting in here. Now create a new layer, and we're going to drop it down to the back of all the layers that we painted and create some shadows. I picked a dark blue color and picked the wet on dry brush this time. Now I increased the opacity to 100%, but in the layers tab I reduced the opacity to around 15%. And creates a nice dark shadow look, just like this, where the light is shining from the left, so the egg's gonna have a bit more shadow on the right here. Now I like to blend in some of the shadows by using the regular or moving blender, just like this. I also went back and put another layer of the same dark blue color on top of the layer with shadows we already have. And that's it. Now remove the layer of the sketch, and all you have to do is remove the washi tape now to get that realistic feel. Now go to your washi tape layer and then pick any big brush. This time I used the oil painting brush that comes with default Procreate, and just went over the washi tape by removing it, just like this. And there you have it. Beautiful blue Easter egg with flowers. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please comment down below. And as always, have a wonderful day.